everybody, today I will be solving for missing values in congruent triangles. So side PQ matches with side AB, side QR matches with side BC, side PR matches with side AC. This is because the way they are oriented in their statements. So triangle PQR matches with, or is congruent to triangle ABC. So P matches with A, Q with B, R with C. So we have AB 2x plus y equals 7. So AB matches with PQ, so 2x plus y equals 7 because AB equals PQ. We have BC equals QR, and they are oriented this way, so it's true. 4x plus y equals 11. And I'm going to be using a formula called elimination, so we can try to single out a variable. So 4x plus y equals 11, and 2x plus y equals 7. So we subtract so we can single out x and eliminate y. So we have 2x equals 4. Sorry for that line. We have 4x minus 2x, which equals 2x, and y plus y, or y minus y equals 0, and 11 minus 7 equals 4. So divide by 2, x equals 2. We are going to plug in x into any of these equations to solve for y. So we have, I'm going to do QR, 4 times 2 plus y equals 11. You have 8 plus y equals 11, minus 8, y equals 3. There you have it. You solve for the variables, x equals 2 and y equals 3. That's it.